Hello, my dear students. I hope so. You all are fine. So, today I am starting exercise 7.3, but before that, I have to explain some points that which we have to use in the exercise. The first is equivalent decimal. Equivalent decimal means the word you can understand that equal decimals, right? So, what we are calling it equivalent decimals. So, what is that? Decimal the numbers that have the same value are called equivalent decimals, right? Now, look here, like this is 2.5 is equal to 2.50 is equal to 2.500, right? You know, if we are writing 0 at the back, right, so the number will remain same, right? So 2.5 is equal to 2.50 is equal to 2.500. So these all numbers are same, so that's why these decimals numbers are called equivalent decimals, right? Writing or removing zeros from the end of a decimal number does not change its value, right? So if in decimal number, here if I will write 1 0, here I am writing 2 zeros, right? So it means writing or removing of 0 will not change the value of the number. So if it is 2.5, if I am writing here 0, so then it is also 2.5. Here also if 2 zeros are there, then also this is 2.5 only. So writing or removing of zeros from the end of a decimal number does not change its value, right? Now like and the unlike decimal. So like decimal means those are same and unlike means those are not same. So how we have to compare decimal numbers with the same number of decimal places are called like decimal, right? So what is the meaning of this decimal places? Like this is 3.1, this is 2.9, this is 6.8. So you can see after decimal only one number is there. So which type of number? These are one decimal place each, right? So that's why these all are the like decimals. This one you can see one more example, 2.45, 8.20 and 17.67. So we have to just compare the after the decimal. After decimal, here 2 digits, here 2 digit, here 2 digit. It means 2 decimal places of each. Means in unlike or like, we have to count the number of the in decimal numbers after the decimal only, how many digits are there. Like in this, after decimal 3 digit, here after decimal 3 digit, here after decimal 3 digit. It means these all three are of the like decimal, and what is their place value? 3 decimal places. So when you have to compare like or unlike, so you have to check only the after decimal how many digits are there. If the digits are same, then that is the like decimals. Now here unlike decimals, decimal numbers with different numbers of decimal places. If I am comparing here 0.8 and 0.86, here after decimal only one decimal number, so this is one decimal place. Here after decimal 2 numbers, so this is 2 decimal place, and this is 1 decimal, this is 2 decimal place. So these both are unlike, right? These are not same. Same here 12.5, here 16.23. So this is 1 decimal place because one number is there after decimal. Here 2 digits are there after decimal, so this is 2 decimal place. So both are unlike. This is 4.63, here is 82.649. So here after decimal 2 digit, here after this 3 digit. So again these are not same. Here this is 2 decimal places and here is 3 decimal places. Clear everyone? So you can find out now equivalent decimal or like or unlike decimals, right? Now I have to start the exercise. Now 7.3 question number 1, write true or false for each, right? So 4.006 is equal to 4.600. This is 4, this is 4, correct. After point, this is 0, this is 6. This is 0, this is 0, this is 6, this is 6. So what is coming here first? 6. This is the value, right? 4.6, this is 4.006. So both are not equal. So this is false. Next 5.02 or this is 5.840. So you can see this is 02 or this is 840. So both are not equal. So this is false. Now here 5.84 or this is 5.840. If I will write here one more 0, right? If I will write here one more 0, 5.840 and this is both are same. So this is true. This much we can do by our own, right? Now here this is 6.100 is equal to 6.1. If I will make here 2 zeros, I will remove these 2 zeros, then the number will same. So yes, this is true. B question, fill in the blanks with equivalent decimals. Now we have to fill by our own. So you can see here this is 0.6, 0.60. See here I have added 1 0, right? Now after 1 0 we can write more 2 zeros. So 0.600, but the value of this all are same. Here 0.8 is given. Now we are writing one more 0. So 0.80. After 1 0 we are writing more 2 0. So 0.800. This thing only we have to do. here you can see this is 32.4, this is 32.40. Now what we will do, we will add 20, 32.400. See, this thing only we have to do in this question number B. Now question number C, convert each group of unlike decimal to like decimal. So how to do this one? Only by writing 0 at the back. So this is 6.2 or this is 6.21. This is one place decimal and this is two place. So how we will do change into two decimal? Only write 0 at the back. This is 6.20, this is 6.21. Now both having the two places after decimal. Now this is like. Here is 3.61, here is 44.4, here is 3.456. Firstly we have to see which number is having the maximum decimal places. This is only two decimal place, this is one decimal place, and this is three decimal place. So all these two number we will convert into the three decimal place. So this having the two, only 1 0 we will write, then this is the three decimal place. Here is one decimal place, so 2 not 0 we will add. Now this is also the three decimal place. This is already in three decimal, so write like this. Right, now see here this will start 5.46 comma 9. This is 99.009. So maximum decimal place is 3, right? So convert this. This is 2 decimal place, so only 1 0 will come. Now this is 3 decimal places. This is 9, no decimal here. So by ourselves only we will take point, and then we are taking 3 zeros. Or this is same. 6 part is 80.1, 8.01, or this is 1.008. Everyone, we are not comparing the first one digit. Whole number we are not comparing. We will compare just the after the decimal places. So this is 1 place. This is 2 decimal place, this is 3. So we have to change these two number into 3 decimal. So 1 only we are having, so 2 0 we are writing. Here 2 decimal place we are having, so 1 0 we are writing. And this is same. Right everyone? So question number C you have to do in the notebook, and for A and B question number you have to do in the book only. Thank you.